The Earth is floating in the universe. It is no exaggeration to describe it with the word dust, because the vastness of the universe is far beyond human imagination. And in order to intuitively understand the smallness of humanity, this video will take you from the Earth to the deepest part of the universe to explore a series of unknown ultimate secrets. Our first stop is the Moon. This is the only natural satellite orbiting the Earth. It is also the only alien celestial body that humans have landed on. The meteorological pits on the surface of the Earth can be seen almost everywhere. Then we come to Mars, a vast desert of dust. Now, many Mars vehicles, including China's Zhurong, have explored the surface of Mars. Then we fly over the asteroid belt. This is a dense celestial body composed of at least 500,000 asteroids. So we come to the area of Jupiter. The size of Jupiter is 1,321 times the size of the Earth. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It has a big island that is enough to swallow the Earth. It is called the Jupiter Red Planet, and Saturn has a very prominent star ring. It contains hundreds of millions of tiny ice and snowballs. Each one is a small satellite. Finally, there are the stars of the sky and the stars of the sea. This is the iciness outside the solar system. In addition to them, there are also the famous Keplers. At present, only the Traveler, the Starfield, and other 5 man-made detectors have visited this place. And this is also the area where the Pluto is located. In 1950, the Dutch astronomer Jan Oort made a bold guess. He thought that the entire solar system was encircled by a huge ball-shaped cloud, which is the so-called Oort cloud. They are composed of a lot of non-active meteorites. They are only about 2 light-years in diameter. But unfortunately, because of the distance, it has not yet been observed in practice, and it is impossible to be observed. And as we continue to go out of the Oort cloud, we will find more and more bright spots like fireflies. Each of them is a star, and they form the entire Milky Way. Our Milky Way is an ordinary spiral star, just like an island full of light. Among the stars, there are several large spirals. Our Earth is located above the Orion and has a distance of 260,000 light-years from the bright core. And from the Milky Way, it can be seen that a small group of about 50 stars, that is, the star cluster, covers a range of 10 million light-years, just like the galaxy of the universe. But above this, there is a larger star cluster of superstars, with a diameter of at least 100 million light-years. It is a larger celestial system composed of about 2,000 galaxies. Among them, our Milky Way is just an inconspicuous bright spot. However, even if it is a star cluster of superstars, it can only be the tip of the iceberg of the superstar cluster of Laniakea. This is about 100,000 galaxies, tied together by a giant group of galaxies, with a diameter of 2 billion light-years. The universe above this is full of fiber-like structures like this. They are distributed throughout the universe and form the entire observable universe. In March 2013, according to the Polankov telescope of the European Space Agency, the data of the cosmic microwave background radiation showed that the age of the universe is 138.2 billion years. And because the universe is constantly expanding, the center of the Earth and the entire observable universe with a diameter of 465 billion light-years is already the limit of what humans can observe. What will be beyond this range? No one knows yet. But since we are here, there must be a question worth thinking about. As the saying goes, since the Earth is a part of the vast ocean, we are just a grain of sand in the universe. Compared to the extent of enough macroscope, even everything about human civilization will be insignificant. So why should we be obsessed with the so-called public interest?